INC are trying to stir the pot. Hindi ko alam kung ba't di yung mabanggit eh. Pero it's true, it's the INC. They're trying to stir the pot and they have their ulterior motives at alam naman natin kung ano yung motives sila. At tingin ko lang ginagawa nila to kasi hindi sila mapagbigyan ni BBM sa kanilang mga gusto in terms of mga government positions at mga from what I hear may mga tinanggal si BBM na INC na corrupt kaya tinanggal at nagagalit ang INC dahil doon at ngayon gusto nilang suportahan ang pagtanggal kay BBM. Yan ang naririnig ko dahil nga doon. Ngayon kung may isang partido na mas susuportahan ang kanilang mga hinihiling, doon sila pupunta. Eh kung hindi kay BBM, sino ang pwede maging kapalit, 'di ba? Kaya yun ang nakikita kong pwede mangyari dito. Ngayon, again, I'm saying it lang as frankly as I can na the people should really be careful. And again, ang hinihiling natin ay hindi yung pabagsakin si BBM. Hindi po yun. Ay makakuha tayo ng katarungan sa mga corrupt na nangyayari ngayon. At para sa akin, and I can speak for myself, you guys don't have to agree with this, I I appreciate the fact that BBM did open the investigations, did open the floodgates to these investigations. In reality, he may not have had to. This could have damaged him more than it did him any good, 'di ba? But at the same time, sobra na eh. Malala na talaga and I think he needs to do something and I think he's really doing it. I mean, call a spade, he's probably doing it for his legacy, for his ego. Pero whatever the motive is for doing it, as long as may magandang kalalabasan to, may makukulong, may mananagot, mababalik ang pera sa kaban ng bayan, so be it. So kailangan talaga tayong lahat magkaisa dito na sa pagsasabi na ang hinahanap natin ay hustisya, may balik ang pera na ninakaw ng mga korap na yan at pagdating ng 2028, tingnan natin kung sino maiboboto natin. Yun lang yun.
I mean, Chris, you're not worried about secession, sedition, anything like
Yeah.
that?
I don't think so. I know they're trying pero I don't think to be honest with you, I have a lot more faith in the Filipino people. Na alam ko hindi sila magpapabudol. Nakita naman natin ngayon na mas matalino na ang Pilipino ngayon. Hindi na sila basta-basta pumapayag na binubudol ng mga politiko at nagkakaisa na rin tayo kung tutuusin eh. Kung isipin mo to, no, mas marami sa ating mga kababayan ngayon ay nagkakaisa sa isang panawagan. At hindi yon na pabagsakin si BBM. Yung panawagan natin lahat ay para managot ang mga korap. Lahat po sila. At yung ICI, ando doon ngayon. Andyan I mean, all the players are in place to make this happen. The ICI, DPWH Head Vince Dizon, Ombudsman Boying Remulla, and then once na mapuno nila yung position for DOJ, ayan na. Mag-uumpisa na to. And I mean, the wheels are turning. All the chess pieces are moving. May isang chess move na lang na kailangan gawin para makompleto yan. And the pawns, that's the people. Tayong lahat ay kailangan humarap ngayon dito at ipakita ang suporta natin laban sa korupsyon. Yun ang kailangan. Hindi para magkaroon ng junta, hindi para maging presidente si VP Sara. Like I always said, pag si Sara maging presidente, it's like going from the frying pan to the fire. It is gonna be worse. Hindi lang mas abusado, vindictive, ang hahabulin lang niya ay ang mga kalaban. Hindi para sa Pilipinas, para sa kanyang sarili pamilya niya. Yun lang ang gusto nila. Wala silang interest para ayusin ang Pilipinas. Ang interest lang nila ay ayusin ang kanilang interest at kapangyarihan dito sa Pilipinas at ang interest ng China.
Do you see the Chinese hand here? I mean, at the very least, I mean, obviously they have an interest in Philippines being unstable because we'll be distracted, right? At the very least.
Absolutely. And if you think about it, come on, they have not ever hidden the fact na they have affinity towards China. Digong does, it's very obvious. How many times has he defended China over his own country? Traidor talaga yan si Digong. Tapos hindi lang yun, yan si Sara Duterte, nagsasalita pa ng Mandarin para batiin ang anibersaryo ng People's Communist Party of China. What the heck? As a Philippine government official, to even say it in Mandarin is such an insult to the Filipino people. Nakakahiya kang isang government official para gawin yan. Ganun ka, ganun katuta ang mga Duterte sa China. And can you imagine, I'm Filipino-Chinese and I'm saying that. Nakakahiya talaga kayo.